go down it for jolly old times. You don't. I will push you.
I'm not going down.
Jared, if you come over here, maybe he'll go down. Oh, don't follow me. Alright, we're moving in now.
YOLO.
Here's our fall. He's gonna retrieve $1 at the bottom.
Yeah, this is for $1. Just to let all your people know.
This is for the dollar.
His own dollar.
This is, I'm doing this for
This is
sin.
worth $1.
You're doing this for sin.
You guys need to give me like $5.
You should do this for free. Look at how fun it is.
So now we're neighbors, because I gotta go.
Go down the slide!
Shit. You're paying for the medical expenses.
Yep.
Okay.
YOLO, son.
Wait, Ryan's got a plan. Wait. Ready? Hold on. 3.
Just do it now. Just do it. Go, go, go!
3. 1 for the money.
Now.
2 for the show. 3 to get. Oh, sweet.
Oh, yeah. Are you in pain?
Go over there.
Get the dollar.
Go to the left. Keep going. Keep going over to the left.